the page on where this takes you, the link. It says look at everything on this home page. Use your locks worksheet to take your notes if you need it. So that's your timer. So it just tells you to first read through this before we do any of this clicking on our browser here. So this is the 360 view escape room. Again, you do not need those headsets. Some people have them, but you definitely do not need them for this. I do not have them. You will need to carefully navigate to find clues, the round icons. You can zoom in on any of the clues. It is recommended to view the escape room in a full browser. So you'll just make the whole browser large, which I'll show you. Click on View 360 Escape Room will open. Find the red Start Home button. Place your cursor on a tablet. Use your finger or stylus on the icon to learn further information. So your cursor is this little mouse that I'm moving around. Then click on it to open. You will begin a task to complete and given a clue that you can hopefully use. Submit your answers to each clue using the form found here on the web page. So I'll show you the form. You can be in the escape room while using any of these tablets which we have. You all have laptops, or some of you may be using your tablets. A VR headset, if you have one, is kind of cool, right? So it says again, your locks to escape being a standard classroom. Here's the form to submit your answers for each clue. You must follow the directions for each clue. Submit your answers exactly as required. Example, text means letters, numbers, all caps, a color or no spaces. So make sure you're following all directions. So again, you can click on this, and this is your Google form, and you can keep that open if you want. I have another tab up here that says escape room, so you can keep this open so it tells you which lock, and then you hit submit. So if I go back to my escape room, again, if you will need this to decipher the messages also at the bottom. So it tells you what pictures mean which letters to help you. We go back up here. We're now going to click on the escape room. And I'm going to click View 360. Now if I click whole screen, you're not going to be able... Oh, I think I am recording the whole screen. Okay, so I click this little button here. So if you want to go back to your Google's thing, you can make this smaller. And then I can click on my little tab at the top, which you can't see because I'm only sharing part of my screen. So I make this bigger. I click the Start Here button. And I read this and I follow along. I can go to the different slides. Right? It's going through. Okay, and then it says read the passage, just type for the first clue. And then it tells you what to do. And then you would then answer it into your piece. Okay, so you need to follow along with that, right? And then you're going to go to number 2. Lock 2, right? So you're going to click on that. So it's fun, something to follow through. You can go through your slides, you can go back. Okay, and the cool thing is, look, you can drag the screen around and see if you drag the screen around, you find other locks. And look, when you put your mouse over, it tells you what lock number it is. See, so it's kind of neat. You can also turn volume on or off. Here's lock number 5. So see, you can do a whole 360 view of this. All right, have fun and good luck.